Yo, what's up everyone? Nick here with Gravitas Create. I just want to give you guys a quick run through of our latest sample pack, Flavors Future Bass Volume 1. This pack focuses on the more melodic side of electronic music, featuring sounds similar to artists such as Porter Robinson, Flume, Marshmello, Holo, and Slushii. Let's take a look and see what this pack's got to offer. This pack's split into 3 categories. We got drums, effects, samples, and synth and bass lines. Let's go ahead and jump into the drums. We got kicks, those signature future bass tonal snares, next up we got the effects. So the synth and bass folder is broken up into loops and one-shots. The one-shots are going to be used for things like samplers and resampling, while the synth loops are more developed and can be used as starters or ideas for tracks. I'm going to preview a few of the bass one-shots. Next, let's jump into the synth one-shots. With a lot of the synth one-shots, we have high, mid, and low octaves, so you won't have to stretch the sample quite as far when using it in a sampler. Now let's check out the synth loops. This is the real bulk of the pack. With these chord progressions, we have different sound design variations, so if you don't like the first synth, just scroll through and you'll likely find something different you do like. Here's an example. All of the synth loops are pre-warped in Ableton Live, meaning you can just drag and drop them into a project file. They'll have the correct BPM and warp markers and loop markers. Let's check out a few more. Some of my favorite loops in the pack are these guitar loops. These loops range different BPMs all the way from 135 up to 170 and cover plenty of different keys. So that shows you a pretty good little run through of some of the samples. Next I want to show you some of the MIDI files that come with the bundle pack. These MIDI files are great because they can be dragged and dropped into any project file, and the sound design is up to you at that point. So I've dragged and dropped this MIDI file onto a Serum track. So you'll be able to change the sound design to any patch you want to use, or any VST or synth you want to use. I'm actually using one of the Serum presets from our flavor Serum pack. Let's check out another one. We've included BPM and key info, but because these are MIDI files, these can work at any BPM and can be transposed to any key. Let's go ahead and jump into one of the project files. As you can see, these projects are really well organized and easy to navigate. We have locators set up to indicate each section of the track, and all the elements are grouped into corresponding groups over here. We left a lot of these synths in MIDI, but they are frozen, so if you don't have Serum, you'll still be able to hear them, you just won't be able to edit them. But if you do have Serum, you'll be able to go in here and switch out the sounds and edit the MIDI and do whatever you like. Let's give it a little listen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you like what you heard, please swing by gravitascreate.com and check out Flavors Future Bass Volume 1.